Good morning, students. I am your science teacher, Mrs. Tanuja. Today we will start chapter number 9, that is soil. In this chapter, we will learn about formation of soil, soil profile, types of soil, properties of soil, and soil and crops. We all know soil, isn't it? मिट्टी क्या है? Soil, like air and water, is one of the most important natural resources necessary for our life on earth. Soil supports the growth of plant and trees by holding their roots firmly and by supplying them with water and mineral nutrients. See these animals that live under the soil. Soil is also a home for microorganisms like bacteria and fungi. Soil beetles, soil mates, ants, earthworms, etc. Let's study about how the soil is formed. Soil is formed from rocks by the process of weathering. The process by which huge rocks are broken down into small rock particles by action of sun's heat, wind, rain, flowing water, and climatic conditions is called weathering. Weathering of rocks is a very slow process. It takes millions of years to break huge rocks into its fine particles to make soil. The topmost layer of the earth's crust, consisting of mixture of rock particles formed by the weathering of rocks and humus, is called the soil. Living organisms such as bacteria, plant roots, and earthworms are also important parts of any soil. Soil profile. We usually see the top surface of the soil, not the layers below it. If we look at insides of recently dug ditch, we can see the inner layers of the soil too. Such a view enables us to see the soil profile at that place. A vertical section through the soil showing the different layer of the soil is called the soil profile. Each layer differs in feel, texture, color, depth, and chemical compositions. These layers are referred as horizons. Soil profile can also be seen while digging a well or laying the foundation of a building. It can also be seen at the sides of a road, on a hill, or a steep river bank. Let us study the three different inner layers of the soil in detail. The first one is topsoil or a horizon. The uppermost layer of the soil is called topsoil. It is also called a horizon. The topsoil shows the following features. The first one is it is darkest in color as it is rich in humus and mineral. Second, the humus in the topsoil makes the soil fertile. Plants get essential nutrients from the layer. This layer is generally soft pores and can retain more water. Topsoil provides shelter for many living organisms such as worms, rodents, moles, and beetles. Subsoil or B horizon. The layer of the soil which is just below the topsoil is called subsoil or B horizon. The subsoil shows the following features. The first one, this layer is light in color as it has very little humus or organic matter. Second, this layer is more harder and compact than the topsoil. Roots of trees generally reach this level. Substratum or sea horizon. The layer of the soil which is just below the subsoil is called substratum, also called sea horizon. It is made up of small lumps of broken rocks formed by the partial weathering of the bedrock which lies below this layer. This layer lacks humus together and it's infertile. Just below the substratum is the bedrock or parent rock and also called D horizon. The bedrock is solid and hard layer of the weathered rock. This layer cannot be easily dug up even with a spade. Water cannot penetrate the bedrock, so it is accumulate above it to form the water table. The receivers of water accumulated is called groundwater. When there is a sufficient rain, groundwater level rises, whereas during drought, groundwater levels falls. Now you have understood. We have read that soil profile. What are the soil profile and horizons? There are the 4 horizons: A horizon, B horizon, C horizon and D horizon. The soil constituents are gravel, sand particles, slate, clay and humus. Do you know what is humus? Humus is a form of some dead rotting leaves or animals' remains, and it is darkest in color. Due to the presence of humus, the topsoil is very fertile. Okay, beta, that's all for now. Rest of the topic we will discuss in our next session. Okay.